Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest updates on MOG Coin and why it's creating so much buzz in the crypto world. MOG Coin launched in the summer of 2023, carving out a unique spot in the crypto space by blending humor with blockchain technology. It's not just another meme coin, it's a community-driven platform focused on creating and appreciating memes, giving it an authentic, fun, and engaging vibe. What started as a simple meme shared among friends quickly grew into a cultural phenomenon. MOG Coin uses blockchain not just for transactions, but to foster community interaction grounded in shared values and humor. Now, let's talk numbers. MOG Coin is currently trading at around $0.00000045 with a 24-hour trading volume of over $17 million. In just 24 hours, the coin saw a 7.87% increase, reflecting positive market sentiment. Its market cap currently stands at $216.8 million, placing it among the top 150 cryptocurrencies. The growth has been impressive. Initially valued at $50 million, MOG's market cap skyrocketed to over $475 million, approaching its all-time high of $0.0000402. It's clear this coin is more than just a meme. It's evolving into a serious crypto asset backed by an enthusiastic and growing community. With MOG Coin's unique approach and strong community support, it's poised for even more growth. The moon might not be far away for this meme coin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.